So this is just a summary here for the trading to end the week, and I believe it's live stream. It'll be live stream 37 or 38. I believe it's 38. Just going to check, see what live stream we're on. We are on live stream 38, and this video would be day 44. Days are flying by here. So today was another losing day, but there were some positives. We decided to use 6BB. There was a X-cross. That was a strategy I decided to use, and there we go. There was a period during lunchtime, again, not supposed to trade between 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But when I got to the charts, I took some trades during that period. When it came to the charts, prices were in a bit of a range. Finding support down at 77, consolidating around VWAP, missed the open. This move off the open to the upside and a move back down to the perfect test of that 77. So came in here around this during lunchtime, and you can see took quite a few trades here and was losing. So I was taking X crosses even though there was only, I think this was a legitimate trade, the rest of them weren't legitimate, and ultimately I paid as I drew down my account. And if I go over to my trade performance, I'll bring this in. So during that very choppy period, I drew the account down to minus 688. From there, I finally decided to start using the we did take a trade out here at frustration, so we took a short out of frustration, went in our favor quite a bit, didn't take any profit, so went short there. Prices went 15 points in our favor. We held. We in fact drew a trend line, was trailing down using the trend line, and was stopped out as prices broke through the trend line. Didn't actually close above it, broke through it, stopped out. As you can see, prices sold off, to my frustration, even more. Started taking some X-cross trades and slowly built back the account. As the trades worked in my favor, there was a trade here. This trade here wasn't quite an X-cross trade, so saw prices break the lows, saw prices pull back here, thought we'd retest the lows, got in, and prices did go down and test the lows around the low of day. So prices did turn around, hit target, so that wasn't quite a setup. This trade here, that was correct. So we took a couple of X-cross trades that did work in our favor. This one took a bit more profit than the system said. Did sell off quite a bit after. Prices rallied, there were no setups there. No more setups. There was a setup here. Let's see. We hit target. This setup here. So this wasn't quite a setup because we didn't pull back enough, so I got out. And before I pulled back, got a true setup, and that one hit target, that X-cross there. After that, I was waiting to see if we'd get another setup. Price is pretty much consolidated. I didn't get another setup here on the market. After hours, we could see would have got a short setup, but already finished trading around about 15 minutes after 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I wasn't in for this short here. I was looking for the short to come in here, but prices rallied a couple of times here. And that was pretty much it. So we bring our trade performance back over. So it wasn't too bad a day once I decided to start sticking with the strategy. As you can see, first came in, drew down a fair bit, and we had a series of winners, slowly building. Went on a quiet run here of consecutive winners, slowly bringing the account back to nearly flat. Go to the summary page. You can see total win, total gross profit, gross losses, negative on the profit factor, had a losing day, slightly above average in terms of winning percentage. Average win being smaller than average loss, not great. Because I'm looking to get out on the signal for trades that I'm working, getting out on counter signals, whereas I got a fixed take profit on the trades that are working. So there is some room for the losses to be bigger, and largest win smaller, largest loss, again not the kind of metric we want to see. Go over to the analysis page. We look at the half an hour. You can see that 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. being our worst period, so that's very consistent. Not being able to get opportunity, not being successful between 11 and 1, so that's true to form. As you can see here, 1 p.m. we do seem to have some success around there, and you can see here we're slowly building back the account. So that was pretty much it for today. So there were some green shoots now. Definitely need to try and avoid this 11 to 1 period, of course, and also sticking to the plan when possible, because after taking a series of losses through here, in particular taking X cross trades which weren't truly setups, because the market didn't turn, we definitely could have ended the day positive. But it is what it is. Some green shoots of recovery despite the losing trade, especially this week. That has been it's been a tough week. It's been a really tough week. If we have a look here on the daily, you can see, wow. What is it? Where's the cumulative? I don't understand why. The cumulative net. I'm not sure that's right. Oh, I think these are the right ones. These numbers over here. I think those are the right numbers. Yeah, I think these are the correct numbers there. So I went down to one contract. We saw that on the stream, so that's where we ended negative. Let's see here, 4 days, 4 losses, big loss again, slightly smaller loss. So we had a really bad week, somewhat stopped the bleeding a bit here on the final day. I suppose we've got a weekly summary video to do. So stick to this being just the wrap up for day 44, live stream 38, I believe. We'll just keep it there for now. So ending small red, end of the day small red, just minus 12 right there, and we'll look to use 6 BBX cross next week just to see if we do have something here, trading demo. So we'll see if this strategy has some legitimacy next week. And with that, thanks for watching.